Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you this app that pays $1,840 every day for free. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It's going to help out this channel. It's going to help out this video to go viral. And please drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, I have an Instagram page. I want you guys to follow me. I'm trying to get my followers up. And on that page, I provide a lot of information about starting a business, about entrepreneurship, and inspirational quotes. So please DM me if you have any questions about any of my videos and any suggestions on videos you want me to do in the future. Follow me at AppGrind on Instagram. Now, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a code word is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that code word, I want you to type it down in the comments below. You know why? It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 7,000 subscribers. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, family, I'm at this website, and the name of this website is Big Time. But to get to this website, you're going to go to winnergames.com. And let me tell you a little bit about this website. So on this website, you're going to win cash playing free games. So what they do, guys, they share the revenue that they make. So they show ads on here and they share the revenue, guys, with you guys, just because you guys are playing games on their website or on their app. So as you can see here, it's available at the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. So this is how it works. So you choose one of the many different games in Big Time and collect tons of tickets. Then you're going to earn. So more tickets you earn, the higher your chance of winning the cash prizes. And then you're going to win. When the time runs out, the tickets are tabulated and a winner is drawn. So that's how that works, guys. So you get as many tickets as you can, and they're going to be timing you. When the time runs out, they're going to tabulate those tickets and they're going to draw them, and you can win. And here are some of the games right here. And here are some of the winners. So as you can see, these people are making some good money, guys, just playing games. Look here, $3,895. As you can see, most of them are all in the 3,000s. Let's keep scrolling down. As you see, some are 2,000s. Some are winning 1,900, 1,800, 1,700. So you can win different amounts of money on here, guys, just playing games. Now let's scroll down here into the frequently asked questions. So let's just look at one question here. So this question right here, how will I receive my prize? So prizes will be awarded in the form of a bank wire transfer to be received at any major financial institution. And let's look at one more question. So how much money can I get paid for playing video games? And check this out, guys. You're going to like this. There's no limit to how much money you can earn for playing video games with Big Time. You can play every day for your chance to make money playing video games. How does that sound, guys? There's no limit. And as you saw, people winning 3,000, 2,000, 1,000. So there's no limit, guys. Now, I want to show you the app and also the rating on the app. So let me go there right now. Okay, guys, I'm at the app. I'm in the Google Play Store. Now, to find this app, you got to look up Big Time Cash, make money free. So let's scroll down, look at the rating. So out of 5 stars is 4.4. This is excellent, guys. Anything over 4.0 stars is an excellent app. And this is almost 5 stars. So you know it's a good app, guys. And let's just look at one review here. So this person named Alex, they said a great and very legit apps. The games offered were great, but one thing I want to request, ads like popping after 2 games. So they love the app. They say it's legit. They just don't like the ads that's popping up. But the ads need to pop up, guys, because that's how they make money, and that's how you're going to make money from playing games on this app. So that's all I'm going to say about this app. I think it's something you need to check out, guys. It's something you need to check out. This is a very, very good app. So go ahead and go to Big Time Cash, make money free on the Google Play Store. Okay, family, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, because I make videos like this every other day and I don't want you to miss out. And one more thing, guys, before I go, direct your attention down to the description below. I have a lot of cool stuff and a lot of other ways you can make money. So check out everything I have in my description. All right, guys, one more thing I want to do before I go, guys. I want to do a shout out. I try to do this every video. So today's shout out will go to this person right here. Thank you for your comment. Really appreciate it. Hope you're a subscriber. Hope you keep watching my videos. If you share my videos, keep sharing it. Keep hitting that like button. And I really, really appreciate you checking me out. All right, guys, that's it. Road to 7,000. Let's go. Let's get there. Let's get there by the end of October. We're in the month of October now, 2021. And I want to get there before the end of October, guys, because I'm ready to give away this free money. So keep sharing this. Keep hitting that like button. Let's go. Let's get it. Get to 7,000. All right, guys. That's it. One more thing. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace, and always have a prosperous day.